This is information about the Golden Acre Park, and as you can see it's got various different gardens in it and different themes to it. This is the veggie area, and there's also some tropical plants down here we're going to check out and take some pictures of it as well. Like my nasturtiums went to flower and then seed and just died off really. They stopped really producing much else. This one is going like the clappers, and there's just loads of flowers, new foliage coming out, new flowers coming out, everything. And nasturtiums are edible, so that's a lot of edible plant there. I haven't got any space for a garden. You can always build a garden on top of a shed or outhouse, something like this. So you just need some fabric, membrane to hold the moisture in, and then just fill it with soil. And we've got some woven netting here as well to just maintain it and bind it together. But yeah, it's looking really good. And these are mostly sedums, what I can see up here. Yeah, okay. And in fact that's what I'm built. This sedum here is what I'm building my front lawn with at the moment. So there's a couple of videos I've done on that. Alright, take care. This is the main veggie plot around here. Quick walk down here. Loads of little flowers mixed in with fruit trees and brambles and raspberry canes and all kinds of things going on here. Lots of flowers as well mixed in. Got squashes, nasturtiums, like using a lot here. Your sweet corn, just there and just about ready to pick. And loads of trees and fennel and such like, but looking really, really nice. And it's such a nice day today as well. It's like really transcendental. It's really nice. You can see here we've got like loads of plants and stuff grown almost like a permaculture type thing. There's a lot of this is left to self-seed, including the nasturtiums. I got told they're just left and they come up again. And they got loads of runner beans I've had this year, apples, tons of them they said. And in my garden hardly any apples, but you know, I remember coming here a few years ago and said, oh, we've got hardly any apples, and I had tons. So it's just, you know, some years it's going to be good, some years not. And you can see here the way they trim things just to get lots of fruit in spurs. Not too much of a large plant, but definitely lots of fruit in spurs on the fruit trees. We've got the raspberry canes there doing really well. And they seem to be big on fennel here, and lots of climbing plants as well, and loads of fruit trees as well. Oh, that's my mobile phone. 1 second. I'll share with you what they've been using for the dahlias to grow up. So they've got like a large piece of this is like trellis netting you get. So they got one piece there, and then another piece below. It just keeps the plant supported. It might be an idea to do grow other things like that as well, and just keep them supported. Trellis netting you can pick up from the pound shop, or any other discount store, and you know, one pack will do for a massive area as well. So I might think about what I can actually grow like that and keep stuff supported as well. Maybe even broad beans or something. Right, this is the semi-tropical part of the garden. There's some lilies here, and that's a japonica there, and got a palm. What's that up there? Can't even see that one there. But loads of really nice plants, loads of bamboo here. So it's quite an exotic looking part of the garden, but it's you know, you can have this in the north of England and you can leave it out. You know, you don't need to take any of these plants indoors really. Some of them will die, well, a lot of the flowers will die right back in winter, but the bamboos, the palms, other things can be quite visible, unless you get quite a cold winter where you want to like cover those up with straw and such like. It looks really nice. This is red lettuce of some sort. It's going to seed. There are loads of little seeds in there. Don't know what it tastes like though. We've got like chickweed behind there, tons. I don't think they planted that, but there's lots of it. And then you got this here. It's called the stepover tree. So you got like apples growing on there, and you grow it along there, and you just basically, it's called stepover because it's at the height where you can step over it. And it's just something that you might consider if you're like thinking about space or different features in your garden as well. It doesn't have to be all about space and about production. It can also be about just looking nice but still providing you fruit and veg. An example of how you can have a very small fruit tree, but you know, it's saying that head gardener here can get like at least 20-30 kilos of apples on here each year, and it's I don't know, what is it, 4 foot in height maybe. It's really good though. All trailing nasturtiums here. We've got the marigolds to keep down the green fly, although there's you can tell here there's been some caterpillar damage on it. And then we've got just here the trailing pumpkins growing as well. It's a little exhibit here with loads of sedums and tropical plants, but all like warm, dry climates. Some nice fishes in here and loads of tropical plants. Looks really good though. Nice climbing fuchsia. And quite a few ferns and cordylines in the background as well. Loads of different plants and stuff. Looks really good. Really nice plant in here. And plenty of fish. Got down here we've got the wild meadow, and you can see down there some old train tracks. And there's loads of water features. You can probably see down there there's a massive fountain, maybe 30 feet high. And we've also got loads of little waterfall features here that they've put in, which looks really nice. I'm going to go ahead and see what else there is here. But there's plenty of yew trees and wildflowers. Saw cranberry cordifolia, giant sea kale here. Lots of rhododendrons, and trying to figure out what I saw. Oh, there's a monkey puzzle tree there as well. There's lots of different planting anyway going on, so I'll see what else there is. Oh, massive monkey puzzle there. Don't know how I missed that one. As well as all the conifers we've got here, and alpines, got loads of them. Lots of other plants as well, so various aces I've seen, like this one here. And I think I've seen at least 2 different types of eucalyptus as well, different type of leaves on them, and that's quite an old eucalyptus there, and you can see some of the side shoots coming out that you can actually separate them out quite often. You can make them from side shoots, get new trunks, or you can take some cuttings as well. Well, there's a limestone rockery exhibit here. Read of that. Hopefully that'll come out. There's they're all labelled up. It's difficult to well, without jumping over, I can't really take pictures of everything correctly and stuff, but you get the idea. But if you're looking at identifying your rockery, and you either live in West Yorkshire or you're visiting, you can come here and hopefully identify quite a bit, or you can go to one of the RHS gardens as well to identify anything you got. Or even if you join the RHS, take a photograph of what you got, what you want to identify, and send it to them, and they'll identify it for you, including some fruit as well. Really good day at Golden Acre Park today. Seen loads of things, and displays just looking absolutely brilliant this September, so I recommend you make a journey out here. And you know, a lot of the things are labelled up as well, and there's always a gardener around just to tell you what things are if you've got any questions. Alright, take care and bye.